Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smart purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The Chensive dash cam boasts a 4K resolution, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. It even offers 1440p and 1080p options for simultaneous recording.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 dash camera offers Ultra HD 2-point video and FHD 1080p rear video.
Both cameras provide excellent video quality, but if you're a resolution junkie, the Chensive dash cam might be your dream come true. Now let's talk about the field of view.
The Chensive dash cam offers a 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 160 degrees rear camera.
With such wide coverage, you won't miss a thing.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 dash camera comes with a 176 degrees wide-angle front camera and a 160 degrees wide-angle waterproof rear camera. Both cameras ensure that you capture everything happening on the road, but the Chensive dash cam wins by a nose when it comes to the cabin camera. Driving at night can be tricky, but fear not, because both these dash cams come equipped with impressive night vision capabilities.
The Chensive dash cam features super night vision and infrared cabin light, ensuring excellent color precision and clarity, even in low light conditions. Similarly, the Miden S7 dash camera boasts a f5 aperture, the industry's largest CMOS image sensor, and WDR technology, capturing clear details even in the darkest of nights. It's a tie in this category, folks. Now let's dive into the extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The Chensive dash cam offers a 24-hour parking monitor triggered by the built-in G sensor.
It even has a hidden design, ensuring it doesn't distract you while driving.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 dash camera comes with a 3.2-inch IPS screen, aluminum alloy case for excellent heat dissipation, and a 3-axis G sensor for automatic accident recording. Both cameras have their unique perks. The Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera both have their strengths. According to online reviews, the Chensive dash cam is praised for its high-quality performance, clarity in both standard imaging and night vision, ease of installation, and user-friendly footage review.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 dash camera is commended for its exceptional video quality, easy installation, wide-angle lens, seamless loop recording, user-friendly interface, and parking mode feature.
It's clear that both cameras offer impressive features, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And that's a wrap. We've compared the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Both cameras offer impressive video quality, wide field of view, excellent night vision, and a range of additional features. It's a tough decision, but we hope our comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision.
Remember, always buy smart.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching and drive safely.